So the whole premise from Microsoft with the copilots is that your data is your data. So we will never use your data to train the model. So then that is when you use the Azure OpenAI service with Microsoft, that it has all the compliance, the regulatory, the security, the privacy commitments that Microsoft provides to the enterprises. So that is the reason it's so important. And now we have a lot of customer demand because that's what the customers want. They want assurances that their data is not going to be used by or sent or is just your data. So that is extremely key for us.
I also think that this is a temporal problem. This is not going to, there is not a single company who's building foundation models who's also not solving this problem of, hey, I'll create a copy of the model, and in that model, only your data is going to be used to fine tune that model, and only you can use it. It's an existential question for all of these companies. I compared this to a lot about when cloud computing came about in 2011. Everybody was scared about sending their data to the cloud, and nobody would keep their data there. Then these companies like Amazon took the first step in creating a huge amount of security infrastructure to give people that, give these companies that level of trust. And the same thing is going to happen, is already happening, not just going to happen, it's already happening in these companies where they're building these product features which enable you to pass that trust back to your legal department, saying that, look, this is a forked model, or this is, is not getting, it's fine-tuned only on my particular data set and stuff like that. So it's a temporal problem. I'd be very surprised if this conversation is still there next year.